I welcome you all to UPS Education YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to talk about NIMHANS MPhil Clinical Psychology 2025 admissions. We are mainly going to cover in this video on how to fill the application forms for NIMHANS 2025 MPhil Clinical Psychology as well as PhD Clinical Psychology. We were getting some queries that students are facing problem at certain points in NIMHANS application form. So we thought of making this video so that it would be easier to you while you apply for the application form. So let's get started. How will you reach to this page? Basically this page have all the information available. You can check here, you can scroll and find all the information. So first we need to visit this page. So for that we'll open a Google and in the search bar we'll search UPS education.in. Now we are on the website of UPS Education. So here you can see a update button. You'll click on the updates and scroll it a little and you can click here on NIMHANS MPhil Clinical Psychology 2025. However, you can see there are other application too like Suresh Gyan Vihar which is in Jaipur. Their application for 2025 MPhil is also available and you can scroll more to get more updates such as NIMHANS and other applications. So I'll click quickly on NIMHANS and now you can scroll and read all the necessary detail on this page including the eligibility, seats and other information such as exam pattern and the important dates. And below here you can see an option of click here to apply. Just click here to apply button. Now we are on the official website of NIMHANS where you need to fill out your application form. Being a new student, we need to click on new registration and we have to firstly complete the registration form. So first option here you can see title, then first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, gender and your email ID as well as your mobile number. So I am filling this application form just for the demo purpose. Make sure when you are filling up the application form, fill all the details very carefully. There should be no mistake because there are no option to edit this application form later. So we'll start from the first option which is title. You'll select here and then first name, middle name and last name is not compulsory. If you have any you can put it down, otherwise you can skip to. Then next is date of birth. So select your date of birth accordingly. And after that you have gender. So you'll select the gender. One more thing here regarding age. For NIMHANS unreserved category, the age limit is 32 years. However, there are some relaxation for the student belonging to any reserved category such as SC, ST or OBC. So you can check more details in the prospectus or the website of UPS Education. There we have mentioned all the details. Now we'll move further. Next is email ID. So you need to enter your email ID. And then mobile number and click on generate OTP. It's taking few seconds. Here you can see a pop-up. OTP is sent to your registered mobile number and email ID. Click on OK and enter the OTP which you received on your mobile number or email ID. So I'll wait for my OTP and then I'll enter the OTP here. Okay, so I got my OTP. Now I'll enter the OTP. And then click on register button. Click on OK. Now you can see you have successfully registered and logged in. Click on OK. Here we are required to upload some documents. First is your photograph and then your signature, and then we need to fill out the other information here. So first we'll upload our passport size photograph. and then upload signature. So we need to upload our signature here. Fine, so we have uploaded both of these things. Now next you need to fill out some details. However, some of the details are pre-filled as we have filled in the registration, and we need to complete the other required details. Here you can see upload birth or 10th certificate for your birth, for your age proof, because there is a age limit for MPhil clinical psychology, as I said. So you need to upload your birth certificate. If you don't have a birth certificate, then you can upload your 10th mark sheet. That is also counted as a birth certificate. Uploaded. Next you need to enter your father name. So write all the details very carefully. I'll write it down here. And then mother's name and permanent address. I would also like to inform here that NIMHANS entrance will take place in Bangalore only. There will be no center allotted in any other city. So if you are filling out the application form, make sure you are ready to travel for the entrance examination. Now next here is nationality and then domicile state. So here you need to select the domicile state. That means the state you are belonging from, and then state again. It could be same or different. And the next option is, do you want to claim domicile reservation? Here we need to select yes or no according to your suitability. If you are a candidate of Karnataka and if you want to claim under the domicile reservation, then only you will click on yes, otherwise you will click on no, because this is not applicable for everyone. This is only applicable for the student from Karnataka or those who are having domicile of Karnataka. Next is category. So we'll select the category here, and other details you need to fill it very carefully. There are some unnecessary details such as caste, subcaste, blood group and all, but still we need to fill it out. Whichever field is mandatory you need to fill out, and you can skip those which is not mandatory. Now next is belong to PWB category. So you need to select accordingly, and then yes or no, you need to just click on yes and no, and then you need to enter the alternate mobile number and alternate email ID. And then click on save and next. Are you sure to submit? Click on yes. If you want to cross check, just cancel it and cross check, and then again click on save and next. So I'll click on OK. Now data successfully saved. Now we are actually reach on the actual application form or the course qualification detail, where we need to select the course and fill other information. Most of the students have confusion in this section, applying under. So please select the apply under category very carefully, because this is very important. And what is the meaning of this thing? There are few things mentioned. We can just quickly read it out. This is external fellowship, sponsored, deputed, NIMHANS project and institute stipendary. So those who have any external fellowship such as JRF or any other external funding, if they are having, then you will click on external fellowship. It means if you are applying under this category, you will not get the stipend from the institute, but you will get stipend from external sources such as JRF and others. Next is sponsored. If you have been sponsored from any other organization or maybe from NIMHANS or any other organization, then you will click on sponsored, and then you need to enter the name also of the organization. Deputed also the similar thing. NIMHANS project, if you are in any NIMHANS project, if you are working under any project of NIMHANS or have enrolled into any particular course which fulfills this criteria, then you will select NIMHANS project. And if you don't have any of these things, and if you want to avail stipend from institute directly, then you will click on institute stipend. Most of the student falls under this category only, so please make sure you are selecting the correct category. So I'll select institute stipendiary because I do not belong to any of the above 4 categories. Now next is previous qualification. So this previous qualification means your master's degree, whether you are pursuing or you have completed, you need to enter that thing only here. So I'll write here master's or MA in psychology. MCI certificate registration number, registration date is not at all compulsory, so do not get confused or worry about this. You can skip this. Next is duration of previous qualification. So duration of your masters, so you'll enter 2. If someone having masters from abroad, they'll enter 1. Someone having integrated course like BA plus MA, then they'll enter the duration accordingly, and then move to the next section. Here we have qualifying exam status. If your master's result is passed, or if you have result available, then you will select first option, result available. Second option is appeared and appearing results. So here you need to select accordingly. If you are currently pursuing your master's, you will select appeared or awaiting result. If you have already completed, then you will click on result available, and then enter the university name of your master's degree. So I'll enter, and then year of passing examination, aggregate marks, aggregate percentage, and your CGPA, class, grade, whatever it is, you need to mention it. So I'll mention the CGPA. Now next is document name, and you need to upload the document. You can read out the mandatories here. Kindly upload documents relating your qualifying degree. That means you need to enter your master's mark sheet in this column. Kindly use add button to upload all educational documents such as your 10th, 12th and other details. So you need to enter, firstly you'll enter MA Psychology, and you'll select the document and upload here, and you need to upload some other documents such as 10, 12th. Even if you want to skip, you can skip it here, because at the time of document verification they are going to check all these information. So for now, at least master's mark sheet is compulsory, but I'll add the 10th mark sheet also because this is useful at all the places. Select the document, and that's it. Now done. So we need to next fill out the section which is course applying for. So here it's very simple. We need to select MPhil in clinical psychology. Here you can see if someone is applying for PhD, then they can scroll it bit and find for the PhD clinical psychology. Here the PhD clinical psychology is, but I'm making this video for MPhil clinical psychology, so I'll select MPhil clinical psychology. And next you need to enter your work experience details. You can skip it also, but if you have any good work experience, you can enter it. There is no need to add it compulsorily, so we'll skip here and then click on save and next. So now the course and educational qualification data is saved, so we'll click on OK. That's it. It was the application form. Now you need to make the payment of application form, which is 1500 rupees INR. You need to click on proceed to pay, and then you need to select one of the option, whether you want to use UPI, card, EMI, net banking or whatever. So you will select an option, make the payment, and that's it. And it was the application form. After that, you can take a printout of the application form for the further references. You can use the credentials later to log in for the admit card and other information if you want it later on. So I don't think so there was any much difficulties in the application form, and I hope this video will help you if you are finding any kind of issues in this application form. For such more videos, you can follow UPS Education on our YouTube and other social media sites too to get regular updates such as Instagram, Facebook, and you can also join us our Telegram and WhatsApp channel. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.